What's up, Atumbo? Captain here, Triple S Storm, and I am back doing the face cam thing. Never mind the madness upon my head, not the headset, but my hair. Right, quarantine times now, and yeah, I not take the chance and go barber. For the people who know me personally, y'all know my health situation, and I don't know, say yo, see, as breeze blow upon me, so me sick, so now go check the chance, so you don't know. Wolf meds, you see it, Wolfman settings. But yeah, today we actually check out some, try out this new kind of thing, new concept, completely original, never used by any other YouTuber before. So the idea is to get somebody else's video, take that video, watch that video, take a video of me watching that video, put that together as a video, and then upload it and call it a reaction video, right? I've never seen anybody else on YouTube done this before, so I'm just gonna give it a try, and hopefully it actually takes off and more people start seeing it and see the potential of it and kind of start doing it as we go along. So yeah, let's give this brand new, completely original concept that has never been done a million times on YouTube before, and see how it goes. Oh, also for this, I'm gonna be watching Terona Gallimore's video. So I haven't watched the video itself yet. I did click like on YouTube though, so she get the thumbs up. So yeah, but yeah, go watch the video now, see what it look like. Hopefully it's as entertaining as I expected, because she have a good little vibe, and you don't know, my girl Terona, so hopefully we can get to do some more collabs as soon as this whole thing kind of ease down. So yeah, you see me, I touch me nose. Stop touching your face, stupid. It's almost finished. Alright, see, clean. Alright, so yeah, let's watch this video, and let's go. First off, let's start the video right here. I did the intro, so you don't know, man, if give himself props for that. Yeah, don't know. So I did the intro for her, so yeah. You never want to give her no high in the intro, never want to give her one low in the intro as well. So I give her like a medium tier intro, something where she kind of can see and know and like, and people can recognize it and just kind of enjoy it. Kind of go off too much. I'm not gonna nitpick the video, obviously, but
what's up, YouTube? It's your favorite girl, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also turn the post notification on, so that whenever I upload a banger, you can see it and you can enjoy it and you can go to.
Yes, people, if you now wonder why me I look down, yes, I am looking at her boobs. Typical.
Friend.
Right. But she's a woman. Like women. Like
and
women.
the friend can go to the next friend, and then yeah, go around just like.
Oh, other than that though, alright, so the background, that's her actual background. That's actually her actually being at the actual setting that she is. But most people in Jamaica don't even realize how much they can capitalize on the surroundings that they have, because Jamaica is a remarkable looking place. So we can actually capitalize on that as a background, right? Which is what she's using. I can't, I live in a cave, so obviously can't do that.
Like that. So yes guys, today what I'm gonna do is my friend and him friend them up. Yeah. My brother and him friend them up. My brother and him friend them cousin up there. So them have cook food. So what I'm gonna go do, and yesterday I tried plan the plank here. What I'm gonna go do is I go up there and I go provoke him. I go provoke him and see how I'm gonna react, see if I'm gonna get mad or what. So guys, come on with me. Let me show you. Come on guys. Hopefully guys, hopefully we get a good reaction for the grass. Hopefully guys, we get a good reaction from the man. Him not get too mad and kill me. And then
What you mean I get too mad and kill you? That's what we want. That's the best thing for happening in practice in getting mad and kill you.
Yeah, mama.
Do something nice though.
Right.
Why am I sad? Like I don't want to see your underwear. I mean your day.
I remember for the phone, huh? I remember for the phone.
I don't want to see your underwear.
Remember for the phone. I remember.
Whoa! Pause. What are those shorts? You know, see them shorts there? Y'all see them shorts? Cheeks. Continue now. I'm really flat. Catch her, look at her and feel that look suspicious. They disappear, they look for the camera like. Yes, thank you. Drop your pants. Still works, people. Yo, you remember when you watch like Shrek the movie when Fiona and Shrek are play? And Fiona chuck Shrek and Shrek chuck back Fiona and Fiona just kadush in a bush. One of them bets a while ago. Yo, that was funny. Hold on, wait, let me get some water for this here. Try not to spit it out. And try not to spit it out. And yeah, I'm not sponsored by 876 Blue people. However, go on Instagram and tell them so them look into it. Right? I like black and water. Yeah. Wolf settings. Let's go. Alright, continue the video now. Yeah, no, in a nice.
Yeah, man. Play rum, you know. Move, Ransom.
With that rum, could they? Front wet, back wet, booty wet, side wet.
Yeah, man.
Watch out! Don't try to do what
I'm saying that's last point. If you catch me, touch me again. This touch me again. I've got beer again. You guys are coming for a ramp for me again. You guys are coming ramp for me. Ask me again, you get the water. Ramp, you see?
I'm going to see you. Don't try to come here.
I didn't do this thing. I get it.
Just wait till. Shit, I'm so money, Jim. This is so weird. This is so weird.
Baby, what is it?
Where's it going? I'll be with you.
Yo, just a word. It says somebody might have slide and drop. Terona, we're friends. Just to tell her right now, we're kind of shape good. Shut down. Oh, that ketchup. How can you be wasting food in these times? No.
You're not video?
Oh, you pick you up though. Not too much 4 feet.
Good signal. Give them a clap for that. I didn't know say it again.
If we are ready, top of 7
Oh boy.
Oh, God. Yes, say them here. Come here, say I want to hear you.
The water, she wet now, she full of ketchup.
Again.
Like that time when season up to ketchup. Well done, cuz. Well done.
Put on the rice. Hey, come turn. Come on, get on.
See, this is the one part of most videos where we don't see the actual cleaning up. See, they're responsible people. They're cleaning the place up.
Move from us, oh.
A good prank. A good scenario. I'm showing you kind. Let's eat up that roll, man. Go.
Man, see a good sitting here though, because obviously him get the better idea. So. Alright, so yeah, that was me reacting to Terona's prank my cousin best friend something. So yeah, if you want some more videos like this, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. It's been your boy Triple Storm aka Captain Atumbo. Stay one by Atumbo. Take care.
For something more, I'm not trying to be diminished. Giving them my all, nothing less than the full percentage. I'm doing what I do cause I know what is my incentive. One day I'm gonna eat until I'm full. I'm gonna keep pushing like a door that you don't know that you should pull. Maneuvering through the valleys and climbing over the mountains. Ignoring all of these niggas who only about the doubting. Same goal, it's just a different location. You gotta know what you're about, you gotta know where you're stationed. I keep moving to the goal, that's an ambitious migration. And I don't ever take a pause like it was poor punctuation.